Okay, trying to attempt to get out here. It's up to my knee, and I'm pushing my way, and I have a 4-foot drift, and I can't find the steps. Let's try this. You cannot see because it is still pretty damn dark out here. Let me see if I can get some light. There's a light all the way over there. Okay, that wasn't bad. Let's see about my light. No. Okay. I'm moving out. Oh. Well, got a pretty good clearing here, but it's all around the house. So that's good. Wow. Okay. Trying to get out to the road. Let's try this. See how the road is. Pushing my way, and my mailbox is down. This is freaking nuts. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Yep, our street is not even lit. Or not even up. Well, did have mail in there. Take the mail to the mailbox. But otherwise, see 1 or 2 cars. That's it. Okay, bringing the mailbox in right now. Because otherwise it's going to blow away. Wow. Too bad you cannot see this right now. I'm getting blown over. Almost. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Trying to get back into the house. Oh crap. Whew. Nice. And I just dumped off